Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum. It's Christmas time. It's time to look at some toys. So a few years back, before COVID, or maybe during COVID, I can't remember, I learned how to solve a Rubik's Cube. And I do this every day just to keep my mind straight. So when this came across my desk in terms of the emails about stuff for Christmas, take a look at a smart Rubik's Cube. I was kind of very interested. So let's take a look at the unboxing. This guy's pretty expensive as far as Rubik's Cubes go. Like this is something like $400 American. So yeah, but it looks very cool. It's got a lot of different apps and different things to play around with it. Hello, welcome to the Rubik's Cube family. We got the WowCube Connect. Okay, so there's apps and everything to play around with. So I'm definitely gonna be looking into that. Oh, did I just do it wrong? Okay, so let's do it slowly here. What is this? And around the tripod here. What do we got in here? Quick start guide. We've got cleaning. We've got a decal. Nice. Set the mood. Press the dock button once, twice to change the lights. That sounds cool. There's a dock for this. I love a good dock for my devices. And that definitely feels bigger than a regular Rubik's Cube. So put it into the dock to charge it up. Is there a way to know which way it goes into the dock? So out of here, I guess it can go in any. There we go, like that. And then there's your USB-C to charge it up. Oh, look at that. It sprung to life. Okay. That is a little awkward to get in there. Whoa, okay. I'm gonna say you can press the button once or twice to change the lights. Place it in the. Oh, that is pretty cool. Booting up all around. Okay, while it's doing that kind of thing, I'll have to find some chargers for it. I'm sure there's chargers in the box here. Let's see what this is. That looks like a cord, so USB cable. I will find my own. Wow, that looks pretty neat. That's your USB, your wall plug. And what else we got in here? What else is this? Oh, a little bag, a little transport bag. That is pretty cool. I'm going to use that. The rest of it I'll put away. I won't use those. I like using my own cords and whatever else. I'll leave the stuff in the box for when I need it. Yeah, so yeah, we got the wall charger, cord, we got a little bag, it doesn't list on there, and we're going to need the app to install to put on it. But this is pretty cool. So you got like games or whatever. If I just tap one, let's just see if I tap that. I'm assuming I can take this off. Put that right there. So how do I say someone is shaking it? Pretty cool. So how do I pick one? How do you pick one of these things? Okay. Well, I got a lot to figure out, but this is pretty cool. That's a pretty neat little GameCube. Definitely beat that, but I still love this. Right? I love doing that kind of stuff. Okay. Anyways, have a bit of a review for later, but that's just the unboxing. Thanks.